Today is our first Mezcal drink of Mezcal month starting right this minute. You want to try it? That's not word. You want to try it?
You want to try it? You can see Ian's face because he loves smoky drinks.
So stay tuned. Welcome to Comicon Cocktails. Derek, Dan, and Ian. I was going to say Doug. You know what? These guys are
they're screwing with you.
Are going to make you a cocktail today. I'm going to see if I can follow my numbers. This drink is going to be called... Crap, I'm already out of it. I don't know what it's called.
Oh my god.
Shy Sour.
What? Shy Sour.
Shy Sour.
Oh, yeah. The Shy Sour.
That's why Ian's here.
Don't... You got to make sure he's pouring his shit in the right place.
Right there.
Don't! I'm going to see... The goal here for live stream, you can help out. If you see Ian pouring and you can't see what he's doing, then yell at me and I will tell Dan, and then he'll hit him in the kidneys. The recipe for this is going to be the beginning of Mezcal month. It's 1.5 ounces of Mezcal, half ounce of amaretto, 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, pink grapefruit juice, and whatnot, half ounce of fresh lime juice, 2 dashes of orange bitters, and a pinch of salt. Every drink this month is going to be something that most of us here, hoping even Ian, will enjoy. And I hope you guys do too. You get yourself a bottle.
How can you not enjoy Mezcal?
The Mezcal
How can you not
recipe.
enjoy Mezcal?
So this was submitted by Stephen Foisey. Our executive producer is Christopher Frankenfield.
You like the smokiness?
Right here. Wait, right here. Oh, crud. He's like, oh, Ian's back. He gets a high five, Derek. So, I don't know what I was going to say because I'm worried. But, click on the bell icon and subscribe to the show. It's going to pop up over there. It's going to say subscribe to the show for those that are more visual. They don't hear my words. Even though I scream a lot.
I don't hear your words much either.
Yeah, most people tune me out after a while. Dan's learned. It's only been, what, 5 years now?
Yeah.
Since you've been on the show?
I don't listen.
Yeah.
I'm just here for the drinks.
2014.
Really? 3 years?
September 2014. I don't know why I know those facts. Probably because I had to go filtering for some videos that had names in them to remove their names from them. So I know the dates, and I was always curious, like, oh, I remember this video. I didn't know how to say Julito. The recipe is going to be shaken and straining, like he's doing. Throw it in a chilled Nick and Nora glasses available at AwesomeDrinks.com, where you can use the coupon code MEZCAL to save 18% off until September 30th.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's just frosty in patterns.
Yes.
What? I don't even want to know.
It's like frozen.
So everything here is awesome. You add amaretto to stuff. And most of the drinks this month don't have multiple core spirits in them, like vodka and mezcal, tequila and mezcal, whatever. It's like mezcal. This should be Mezcal month.
Because it's Mezcal
and
month.
licours are fine, because that's in everything. If you just had an amaretto by itself,
something else in it.
Amaretto sour is weird. So Stephen Foisey is going to make me slap you.
Yeah, because he said he had Ian's back because Derek was picking on him.
Ah, that's alright.
I was picking on him? Oh, yeah, probably. I do that sometimes.
I remember that.
Ready?
Maybe I just blocked it.
I don't know what 34 is. Ah! Son of a gun! Why do you even have to keep your hand in your pocket so casually? You're just gonna sit there and let that happen?
You whine like a little girl.
What, dude? You fall to the ground and roll around.
No, I don't. Never seen.
You're like Winnie the Pooh when you get hit.
Never seen that happen. It's a pretty good drink.
You know what reminds me of Dorchester?
You know what?
No.
That's a really smoky, tobacco-y mezcal.
Not so much in
and
there.
And it cuts 70% of it out.
Which is what you probably why they say this calls for a smoky or mezcal. Smoky the better.
It's weird.
What?
You can't really taste most of the smoke, right?
What's weird?
I get smoke, but it's got like this weird front taste.
Let me see.
Have you had it already?
Front taste?
Weird like you can't figure it out, or weird like you don't like it?
It's weird like I don't know. It almost has a feel to it.
It's got to be the amaretto.
Maybe.
It's got a little bit of the almondy from the front to the back. Almond mullet.
Yeah, that's what it is.
That's what happens when you take a little sip.
I think we owe him a couple more because that was only like 3.
What? That's
Yeah,
$5
go ahead.
$15. What?
You need at least 2 more.
At least 2 more?
At least 3 more with the exchange rate.
What? The exchange rate's not 3?
I would do it one more time.
Ah! One? Are you at least sympathetic? Because
No, he's not.
I'm not even sure what's happening.
I'm fucking sweating. It hurts so much.
Oh, come on, look at it. You're trying to hold it in now. That fucking shit hurts.
I'm not holding it. I thought I was expressing it.
You're holding it in, I can tell.
No, I'm not. You want to know why?
More.
Because after that the third one, can't feel anything.
That's true.
Yeah.
I don't know. This shit still hurts.
There, you can hold this.
See? Feel my hand.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, that's what happens when
That's
you
a
die.
weird way for you to want to hold my hand.
Now it's cold. This is how I get away with holding men's hands. I make sure there's something wrong.
Oh my
with
god, look how hot my hand is.
Shy sour. Shy sour.
The drink is the Shy Sour. It is sour. And so, Ian thinks it's a funny front taste.
It's not that sour.
Yeah? It's
You
got a
think
little bit of
it's
acidity. Yeah, I thought it was
Some
kind of
acid to
sour.
it.
You know what? It's when you take those small sips.
Well, daiquiri's a sour, right? It's just a matter of...
It's kind of like a
spirit.
grapefruit daiquiri.
Yeah.
I would like some maraschino in it because I feel like that would go with that. But I know there's a drink that's going to come up next, I think, that has that going on already, so I don't have to. But it has...
It's good. You can taste the salt. The amaretto doesn't, like, blow it out.
No, I think it's really what balances because there's no sugars in here, right?
Yeah.
Like, you don't have anything to kind of add that sugary flavor, like simple syrups, agave nectars, stuff like that. So you've got your amaretto, and you hope maybe the grapefruit juice isn't too sour. Don't use store-bought, like, bottled grapefruit juice. That's just a travesty. You need to press it yourself because it doesn't come out so tart.
The drink's not tart.
No.
It's good. I don't know. What do you think? I mean, you're
I like it.
obviously...
It's not bad. I'm not a big fan of smoke. I do get smoke in there.
Yeah.
It's in the finish, right?
It's definitely in there. I mean,
Yeah.
but if you taste this on its own,
Oh,
it took a lot of it
difference,
out.
yeah.
Yeah, because it's...
Oh, no doubt. No doubt.
yeah.
But
So-
it actually sits in your mouth, though, the smoke,
Yeah.
like, taste. Yeah.
And to round
I
it
drank too much
out,
last night. No, I don't want the smoky flavor in my mouth.
what happened?
I'm still dehydrated from last night, so that smoky flavor is just like not
It's not doing it for
doing
you.
it.
Welcome to Mezcal, bitches.
I was thinking I might stay at Comicon till
No.
9 or 10 tonight.
To play some D&D or whatever they do there?
No, they close at 6:30. I'd have to find something to do.
You'd be sleeping in the corner in Boston someplace. We use orange bitters. You can get those at ostrich.com. Coupon code Mezcal. Save 18%. I think I said that already.
You did.
Did I? I feel like I did.
You did.
First video. It's hard.
But you should.
I did. You know what? I finished everything on
You
the
should
list, so I
anyways.
feel like I'm missing something. But I guess we're good. That's it, my friends. Sidebar: 2 videos, or 2 playlists: a mezcal playlist and a tequila playlist. You can take your pick. I would suggest start with the mezcal because everybody drinks tequila. Everybody knows that shit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean,
of
mezcal's a new thing.
It is, and we're doing it.
Yeah.
So
And the
there
next
you
is Stoltel.
Right.
We'll get there.
We're teaching you how to drink.